Assalamualaikum. This is video presentation for subject AJR 464 Crop Insect Management about Rhynchophorus ferruginous. My name is Muhammad Zafrizal bin Zakaria and this video presentation prepared for Professor Madya Dr. Siti Nurhaja Mat Latif. Without wasting the time, let's get started. So before we go through more about the pest, I will explain about scientific and common name. So scientific name is Rhynchophorus ferruginous and the common name is red palm weevil. It is belong to the order Coleoptera. The family of this pest is Cercoleonidae. This is one of the most dangerous pests in oil palm plantation. So let's see the impact towards the oil palm. So let's see together the symptom of damage that the pest do to the oil palm. So first, small holes on the trunk or at the base of leaf. This is where the entry and exit point for the larva. Next is the central leaf, which is crown or young leaf become wilted, dry or fall off. This is indicating damage to the growing point of the oil palm. The other symptom of damage is extruded trunk fiber coming out of the trunk. The wood fiber that's come out show that the larva has been actively feeding in the trunk. Next is oozing of brown or reddish liquid. Plant fluid mixed with larva remains or sap due to external damage. This indicates that the material in the stem has been damaged. Now, we will jump into life cycle of a red palm weevil. So, let's go through one by one. Now, I will explain about the life cycle. The first stage is egg stage. Female red palm weevil will produce 200 to 300 eggs inlaid inside crack or on oil palm tree. The egg will hatch in 2 to 5 days. Next is larvae stage. The larvae immediately bore into the trunk or crown of the oil palm. The larvae duration to change into pupae within 1 to 3 months. Next is pupae stage. Mature larvae create a cocoon made from oil palm fiber. Pupal duration to change into the adult stage within 1 to 3 weeks. Next is adult stage. In adult stage, the red palm weevil have their own color, which is reddish and orange with black marking. The duration for the red palm weevil leaf is 2 to 3 months or more longer. Now I will talk about the control management to prevent the spread of red palm weevil. So first is biological control. In biological control, they use the fungi, parasitoid, and nematodes. For fungi, they use the Weaveria bassiana, which is the most effective method by using a spray on the stem or as a biopesticide. Weaveria bassiana will directly kill the red palm weevil. Next is parasitoid, which is Scleroderma species. Scleroderma species will attack the red palm weevil larvae by using a spray on the stem or as a biopesticide. Next is Stenoderma carpocapsae. Stenoderma carpocapsae is a parasitic redworm that has evolved an insect-killing symbiosis with bacteria and killed its host within a few days of infection. Next is chemical control. In chemical control, they use the insecticide like cypermethrin, chlorpyrifos, imidacloprid, and thiamethoxam. There is two methods in chemical control. The first one is preventive spraying. The insecticide will be sprayed on the crown and the base of the trunk. Next is curative trunk injection. This method only used to newly attacked tree which is not critical. The insecticide will inject directly into the trunk to kill the larvae and the egg. The last one is cultural control. In cultural control, they use the sanitation and removal of infested oil palm. The trees that are already critical need to be cut down and destroyed so that the red palm weevil does not spread. All part of the stem should be burned or buried in the ground to avoid the red palm weevil spread into other trees. By burning at high temperature, it will destroy all stages of red palm weevil such as egg, larva, pupa, and adult red palm weevil. So the conclusion for this video presentation is the red palm weevil infests oil palm tree through trunk entry of its larvae, which causes shoot damage and tree wilting that leads to that and substantial yield reduction and economic loss. The trunk-based infection of red palm weevil makes early detection challenging, so trees with severe damage require complete removal and destruction. The control of red palm weevil require IPM strategy, which include removing affected tree and using pheromone traps and biological control with fungi and nematodes and chemical application through preventive spray and stem injection. The combination of all these methods is important to reduce the population and prevent the spread of red palm weevil. I think that's all from me. Thank you.